Hey guys, today we're exploring the city of Bangkok. Last time we explored the most popular temples and historical sites of the city. Today we're visiting popular Instagram spots, eating a ton of food, and checking out the transportation and shopping.
Merry Christmas! It is Christmas Day, although it does not feel like it. Eating a lot of food and being very warm in Thailand and forgetting that it's Christmas. Before we go, I wanted to give you a quick room tour because this room is really freaking cool. Okay, so you come in through this door and then on your right is a cute girl on the bed as always. There's a mirror and this nice sitting area right here. It's super nice. Then on your left is this balcony, which is really nice. It has a great view of the city out there. And on the left is this really nice kitchen area. It's super modern. It has absolutely everything you need. And of course, the star of the show is this sketchy ladder that takes you up to the loft. You can see this really nice view of the train tracks up there, and the train goes by. It's really nice.
Okay, so we're at Bubble in the Forest, and I saw this all over my Instagram feed. Like, this is one of the most aesthetic cafes in Bangkok, and it's really beautiful, but I think they changed the exterior of their outside tables because it looks different from the Instagram, but either or, it's really pretty.
Yeah, so basically there's just a bunch of these tables, these huge rooms with like 10 seats. It's kind of far out, but it might be worth it. Okay, so we have a ton of food to eat today. This is like our main food day for Bangkok. So we're not gonna eat that much, but we did get a little something. This is some crispy, I think, fried pork, and I think this is kale. Hold on, I just... Whoa, I was not expecting that. The most savory pork I've ever had. What on earth? That is delicious. That is so good. Look at that.
So far, Bubble in the Forest, food better than we expected. Right now it's cloudy, but it's a little bit warm, so we're enjoying outside as the air conditioning's too cold for us right now.
Okay, we are currently down an alley in Chinatown, and we just went to Jeng fishball noodle. It's just like a Chinese fishball noodle place that is like the actual epitome of a hole in the wall. It's down a tiny little alley. And how did you find this?
Mark Wien's YouTube.
Yeah, shout out Mark Wiens. He is like a YouTuber that is actually qualified to talk about like professional food opinions.
In Thailand.
In Thailand specifically, yeah. So yeah, we found that through him, and it was so delicious. $4.63 for both of us just now. Super amazing. So now we're gonna go get some coffee. Okay, so we are in downtown Bangkok right now. We just took the SkyTrain, a few stops from Chinatown, and now we are at Factory Coffee. This is a famous coffee shop here. It's very specialty. They've won the World Barista Championship, so the line here is really long, so hopefully this doesn't take too long. To say, I am such a big fan of the Skyway stations. The metro is really nice. As far as metros go, it is just as good as every other metro we've been in, but I don't know, something about being up in the air. There are a lot of SkyTrains in Tokyo as well, and I just love it. Very convenient. Definitely like the public transport here. Okay, so we are now at Paga Microroastery.
Specialty coffee shop number 2. I really like the interior because it's super white. I got a rose lemonade, and what did you get?
I got a tropical cold brew. It looks good. I've had too much coffee already, but it's too late to stop now. Anyways, this place looks awesome, and we're just gonna chill out here for a little bit, and then we're gonna head back into town. That is so delicious.
So we just left the specialty coffee shop, and now we're on our way to a French bakery.
The coffee shop is right there, and the bakery is right here. So we got like a salami sort of thing on sourdough, so. This place is super cute. The interior and exterior are really pretty. After this, I think we're gonna go get an actual meal. We were gonna go to a market, but unfortunately it's not open today. So instead of that, we're gonna go to another restaurant. So we're just eating all the food today. And then after that, we're gonna go. In every country we go to, somehow we seem to end up in IKEAs. I think this is our 5th country.
When in Bangkok, go to IKEA.
That's not what they say. Okay, we just left the mall that we were at. I don't even know what it's called. We just saw IKEA and we're like, yeah, let's go. But yeah, it's a super pretty mall. I definitely was sleeping on Bangkok a little bit. I think both of us, thought, we're gonna like it, but we didn't think we were loving it. We thought we were just gonna more enjoy Phuket. I think we both stand very well corrected that Bangkok is an amazing city.
Now we are gonna go have our last meal of the day.
A condom Christmas tree? Oh my. Oh, it reeks of latex.
Okay, so this is one of Bangkok's most interesting restaurants. It's called Cabbages and Condoms, and they are condoms everywhere. It likes to promote safe sex and family planning and HIV prevention.
Okay, I got tom yum chalet and she got pork pad thai, and it looks and smells really, really, really good, and I'm pretty hungry again, so time to dig in.
So the food was okay. It wasn't like amazing, but it wasn't bad either. So we paid, and then you get condom for free. I'll take 2, one for me and one for you.
Somehow we found ourselves in another mall. I don't know why it keeps happening, but there's malls everywhere and they're all really nice. We never go to malls.